How to find and copy your USDT ERC20 address on Trust Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Trust Wallet and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then you're gonna need to simply click on the Manage Crypto on the top right of your screen, and then click on the search icon and search for USDT just like so. Make sure that it is enabled, which is USDT on the Ethereum network. Now Ethereum network is the ERC20 network, so you need to also make sure to select it by scrolling down and clicking on the USDT with the Ethereum network. After that, you just need to click on the receive option, and then you can now copy your wallet address, and as you can see on the top, only send Tether USDT, which is ERC20 asset, to this particular address. Other assets will be lost forever. Then you can also click on deposit from exchange like Coinbase and directly deposit from the particular platform. So hope this helped. This is how you can find and copy your USDT ERC20 address on Trust Wallet.